Hey, Sparky. Welcome aboard the Happy Train. We're having loads of fun.
Rough day.
Then let's smooth it out. What say I get to work?
Security system online.
¡Ja! ¡Muy bien, señor Cyborg!
Oh, man.
Look what you made me do!
¿Qué pasa, super macho?
Watch it! You almost hit me!
Hey, cool it!
¿Por qué se te olvidó de la luz? No puedes
The problem isn't your tower. It's your team. Trouble.
At least something around here works. Congratulations. You're the first lowlife to get busted by the Titans.
¡Aquí! ¡Aquí! ¡Aquí!
Get off my back!
¡Esto es ridículo! Para ser un aficionado, somos 6 contra 1. Tenemos que ganar, pero ella está en nuestro camino y estos dos se están disparando y este hombre nos está ganando.
What they said.
Hate to say it, but Sparky was right. We're not working like a team.
We are now. Follow my lead. Titans, together! Speedy, B, push them back! Double M, heat them up!
Más y menos, sí podemos.
Aqualad, cool him down! Booyah!
Right, that's the way to do it!
Who says we're not a team? Way to go! Titans East rule!